Standard 5 Subject Social Science. In this video, we will continue from the lesson Good Citizen. Before we are going into the lesson, what we learned in the previous video. We discussed about man is a social animal. Human beings are bestowed with senses. We think and act using their senses. We born with few value and rights, and these values are polished in education institution. The aim of education has to change a person into a valuable person. How to become a good citizen in a society, in our country, or in the world? Only if we have good qualities in us, we become good citizen. In this video, we are going to discuss about classification of good values. Good values: personal values, cultural values, social values, disciplinary values, and constitutional values. Good values are personal values, cultural values, social values, disciplinary values, and constitutional values. Now we will see what is personal values. Personal value is basic value for every individual. We must bring out the hidden values of a person that they acquire from their experiences, and this leads to their overall development. Some personal values are love, mercy, generosity, honesty, truth, friendship, hospitality, peace, tolerance, faith, and so on. Mother Teresa, a woman dedicated to helping the poor. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is a great scientist. Next, see the cultural values. Becoming well-mannered and cultured is an essence of the society. Irrespective of language and religion, people live together in harmony. This helps to maintain cultural values. We are all humans. We must live together as brother and sister. Cultural values influenced our way of thinking and way of life. And then development of technologies has provided changes in the society by promoting new cultural models. We must preserve and spread our culture. Our invention must not spoil our culture and future generation. Unity in diversity. Let's see the social values. How should you behave in public places? We should maintain the following good values in public places. Maintain good relationship with people. Respect our elders. Protect nature. Be tolerant. International Day for Tolerance, November 16. Learning tolerance is a vital to world peace. Maintain friendship. Dear students, values about the different kings are people who are offered justice. King Sibi offered the flesh of his thigh to a stabbed hawk to save the wounded dove. And then Manunudi Cholan, to give justice to cow, killed his son under the wheels of his chariot. And then King Pari offered his golden chariot to Mulle Agrippa. And then King Bahan offered his shawl to a peacock which was shivering in the hold. Next, we will see the disciplinary values. What are the disciplinary values we have to follow? First one, punctuality. Involvement, treating everyone as equal, doing work on time, holding your morals, doing duties without fail. having involvement, doing a work. Punctuality, being on a time, it is the most important disciplinary value. Treating everyone as equal. You don't consider their color and their background, don't consider their religion. You treating everyone as your classmate, as brother and sister. Doing a duties without fail. When you are after do the homework, you submit on a time. You always hold on your morals, being selflessness. Doing work properly without any fail. Treat all people equally. Citizen. Who is citizen? A citizen is a person who is a member of a particular country and enjoys various rights and executes his duties. A sovereign state provides citizenship to its people, right to live, right to vote, right to work and reside anywhere in the country, or the other rights enjoyed by the citizens. Next is the constitutional values. Constitution means it was adopted on 26th January 1950 with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as a chairperson of the drafting committee. Our constitution is the lengthiest constitution in the world. Constitution is nothing but a law which the government functions and how the government going to functions. These are described in the constitution. Now let us see what are the different constitution values. First one, safeguard. Safeguard public properties. Safeguard means take care and keep safe. What are the public property? The bus, common vehicles used for traveling, or parks and playground, hospitals, all these things come under public property. We have to take care of the public properties. To develop scientific attitudes. Honor national symbols. We have to maintain unity of the nation, not discriminating others, not fighting with each other. Develop patriotism. How to develop patriotism? We can do if I strive to know the history, custom and traditions of my state and country, to promote actions for those who need us, and then we stand for just causes, defending human rights, and the dialogue on the importance of respect and love for our national symbols. We must honor all the national symbols, caring for the environment. Protect natural resources. We follow unity in diversity. And then we are going to learn about factors that enrich good values are. Literacy, awareness and interest, try hard till success, and then evaluate oneself, acceptance, self-confidence. These are the factors to enrich good values. Dear students, should be taught to be hygienic, which is the most significant part of good values. You must follow the routine below. Wake up early in the morning, brush your teeth, have a bath, wear clean clothes, wear slippers or shoes, trim hair and cut the nails. Wash hands before and after meal. What are the learn in the video? In this video, we'll learn about good values. What are the good values? personal values, cultural values, social values, disciplinary values, and constitutional values. Let's see the book back exercise. First, fill in the blanks. Man is a dash. Man is a social animal. Second one, the word civic means citizen of a nation. The word civic means dash of a nation, citizen of a nation. And then third one, the aim of education is to change a person into dash. The aim of education is to change a person into valuable human being. And then fourth one, dash is the basic value for every individual. Personal is the basic value for every individual. Fifth one, always be dash in discharging duty. Prompt. Always be prompt in discharging duty. Second Roman letter, match the following. First one, personal value. Which one is the personal value? Honesty. Honesty is the personal value. Second one, cultural value. Harmony. Cultural value, harmony. Third one, disciplinary value. Disciplinary value, punctuality. Fourth one, social value, tolerance. Fifth one, unemployment, affecting factor. Match the following. Peace, Mother Teresa. Peace, Mother Teresa. Environment, tree. Environment, tree. Public property. Which one is the public property? Bus. Next one, national symbol. Which one is the national symbol or national flag? And then scientific attitude. Scientific attitude, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you.